Good afternoon. I'm Sue from Sue Chic, and I'm here today in Posh Chalk Interiors in Leeds, the home of WoodUbend Mouldings and the new Posh Chalk artisan range. We've been having a really big tidy up here, and I'm going to pretty up some of the brush and pot holders that we've got for the.
Just say that Solly keeps them in a glass bottle and they're not, it's rubbish, Sue. Just say it.
There was some plastic plant pots and all sorts of rubbish holders. So I said, why don't we pretty some up on a light? So this is a really nice one. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to, I've got some WoodUbend Mouldings on the griddle warming up. So they're all nice and soft and bendy and ready to go. And I'm thinking I'm going to put some of this lovely trim around the top. So without further ado and not too much talking, that's what I'm going to do.
Would you like to explain for those new viewers that have never watched us before what WoodUbend are?
WoodUbend Mouldings are made from wood. You can drill them, sand them, paint them, wax them, stain them, and because they're porous, they will accept the stain. It won't just sit on the surface, it will sink in and you'll get a beautiful stained wood. And most special of all, when they're warmed, they bend. So I've got this one here and it's been warming on the griddle, as I said. So I can actually unfoil that and it's all nice and soft and bendy. And you can reheat it as many times as you like. So if you add it to something and you don't like, you can reheat it and very carefully, if you've glued it, that is, take it off. Or you can have a play around with the design. And then if it's cooled and set, you can reheat it. So I'm going to put a piece around here. I'm just going to break that, pop it back on there. Because I'm doing this part, I'm going to add just going to set that to one side. I'm going to put some flowers on the front. We were working the other day with some of the 2295, which is the WoodUbend sheet. And I thought it'd be. Would you
like to show people the sheet?
The sheet.
No, just what you've got in your hand.
Oh, sorry, did I not show?
No, you didn't. A little bit further down so people can see it and show them how bendy it is.
Right, so it's really wafer thin. It's really nice and flexible. And this one has been stamped and painted with the pigment already. This one has been decoupage, so you can just literally cut that out with scissors. So never throw any WoodUbend pieces away. So these are scraps that are left over from another project. So I thought it'd be rather nice to put them all together on this pot. So I'm going to start with this one actually, which is a smaller one.
Hello, Diane.
And you can see how flexible it is. So you can just simply cut that out with scissors. I'm not going to cut those little tiny bits out, but you could. You have a lot of patience and a lot of time.
Hello, Ontario. Hi, Jean.
So this is staying flexible for quite a long while. I think just enough time for me to get all the way around. So we can get a nice 3D effect with that. And then I'm going to take the larger one, which is slightly too large for this project. You can see the flowers stamped in there. So I'm going to just cut that down slightly just roughly, is I'm going to be going over with something else, so it doesn't matter too much about the design. Just a sort of a rough flower shape. I think that will do it. So I'm going to add those first. I'll get plenty of glue on the back of that one.
And always use wood glue, guys. Do not use PVA or 2-pack or really fast setting glue because it becomes too brittle and rigid.
So I'm going to heat that so it curves nicely onto the surface as soon as I put it on. Be really careful not to overheat them and char the surface because it wouldn't look very nice. I have done it before. I have set the fire alarm off.
Yes, you have.
And these thin ones, they settle in really quickly. They cool really quickly, so they don't take a lot of holding down.
Good morning, Christine. How are you? We're back in the workshop, guys. We are back in our workshop after 9 weeks of isolation.
So with this small one, I'm just going to put a little bit of glue in the centre because I'm going to bend this up and make it look 3D. So I'm going to put that in the middle. A little bit more heat.
That's cute.
Yeah.
Isn't that cute, guys?
And you can repeat this as many times as you like to get, you could have 2, 3, 4 layers. You could do it with butterflies you did the other day, didn't you, with this?
Yeah. Hello, Lil from Norway. Liz Ald is watching. She's one of our lovely stockists in Germany. If there are any WoodUbend stockists watching, please pop your link in the comments if you sell online and tell us your location so that people can come and browse your wares.
So if you can see what I'm doing, I've warmed it up. I put my glue in the centre, and while this is cooling, I'm holding it in shape, and you can see that's already setting there in place.
Liz says, "Hi, honeys."
Hi. And there you go. If you weren't happy with the shape that you just got on there, you could reheat that and start again. But I quite like that.
That's lovely.
Okay, so I think I'm now going to add, you can see we've got a real mishmash of bits and bobs on here. It can all be used. I'm going to add a couple of flowers. So these are nice and soft and ready to go. So I'm thinking that's enough on there. What does everybody think? I'm thinking that's quite a pretty little arrangement.
Do you just want to stand it up, Sue, so I can get a good picture of it? So there it is. Sue has transformed one of my old paint jars into something pretty. So bye, guys. Thanks for joining us. And we'll see you for part 2 in the group very shortly. I think it's in about 45 minutes. Have a wonderful day.
Bye.
Bye.